Guys, what's up, biking here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the bumper start technique. So basically okay, Lockie, I'm filming. Get down to the paddock, I'm trying to talk. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to put it into the high, let's say put it into fourth gear, and then up, and then you want to put in your clutch, and then roll your bike down a hill, and then make sure all the ignition switches are off and ready to go, and then you want to just let it out, and then if it starts kicking, you want to pull in your clutch and then rev it, and then it should start. You use a bump start technique for if your battery's flat or if you can't kick start it, like so yeah, I'll show you guys what I mean. Just wait. Lockie, get away, I'm trying to do a YouTube video.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to do a bump start. And you can't. Just wait, get away, I'm trying to show them how to do it. Okay, so put it into what gear? Fourth. See? That's how easy it is, guys. So yeah, have a go at it and see what you think. See you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and have a good day.